Hey, what's up guys, it's Jonathan here. Today is October 3rd. Right now it's 9:50 a.m. So this video I'm going to show you guys how to reset your phone, mainly on Samsung. I'm sure Apple should be the same thing. You just have to go into your manual and then you're probably able to reset it. But the one that I'm going to show you guys is on my old phone, S9 Plus. I'm going to show you guys how to reset your phone in case if you don't use this phone anymore, or if you want to give it to your relative or someone, or if you want to sell it. Obviously you want to reset everything. So the definition of reset is that there's two ways. You could reset the setting itself, or you could reset the whole phone where it erases all your data and all your memory, all your password and everything. Wipe everything out, make this phone into a brand new phone. So when the next person who's using it, they have to go do all the setting again, log in, finger scanning, if wherever they want to set everything up. So those are the two ways. So I'm going to show you guys on my old phone, because I'll be sending this phone into Samsung because I'm trading in. So I need to reset this phone anyway. So obviously you need to log in. If you cannot log in, you know, then there's no point using it. There's no way to reset it. So after you log into a screen, you have to get into your settings. So there's two ways to get into your setting. You could get into your setting through manual. So I'm sorry for the glare. So there's a two. And then another way to get in is do the gear on the top. Slide that down and hit the corner edge. So after you get into your setting, go all the way to the bottom. They have information about the phone, tip for help, software update, accessibility, general management and stuff like that. So you want to go to general management. In the general management, when you click on it, they have language and input. You got date and time. You got reset. So the one that you want to do is reset. When you click on reset, it has few settings right there. It say reset setting, reset network setting. So if you want to reset network setting, it's basically they delete all the Wi-Fi password, all the Wi-Fi, all the network that you have saved before. When you go to office or when you go to someone's house, you use the Wi-Fi or everything. The phone oftentimes automatically save all that information. So that next time when you go back to the same location, you do not have to re-enter the password, or you do not have to save it. They will automatically connect. So everything is saved onto the phone. So when you say reset network setting, they erase all that network information. So every time you have to do it again. So the top one is a reset setting. It actually reset everything. So each of the selection, they have an information below. They actually tell you guys like, oh, what this is. So on the top, the first one, it actually say reset all setting to their default. So basically turn everything back to the defaults. And the one that you wanted to set is factory data set reset. That's only if you want to erase the whole phone. You know, you're going to be selling this phone to someone else, or your mom will be using it, or you're going to give it to someone, or you're going to send your phone into the factory manufacturer for like rebate or discount, or for repair or something. You want the factory data reset. So when you hit that factory data reset, it clears everything. So the information that they wrote down is reset your phone to its factory default setting. This will erase all data, including file and download app. So all your app, all your file, everything, it's going to be delete out everything. So yeah, so that's the way to do it. If you click on that, it will erase everything. At this moment, I do not want to do the factory data reset yet, because you know, today is what day is today? Today is Saturday, and I still kind of want to use this phone for another few days before I mail this back in, because I'm going to miss this phone. I actually really like this Samsung S9 Plus. It feels really good on my hand. You know, I feel like, I'm not sure if I'm regretting it to send it back. But anyway, still have it for now. I'm going to keep it for another few days. I have until October 17 to mail this back in. So no rush. I'm actually using my new Samsung S20 FE edition, fan edition, 5G. So anyway, so that's how you reset. For Apple product, Apple phone, same thing. You go into your phone, and then it should be under like general management or want the setting where it said reset, just go do the prompt, and then it should be fine. You should be fine. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comments below and subscribe. Okay, all right, thanks.